Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Tome AI templates to build polished presentations fast on your Windows PC. First, open your browser and go to Tome and sign in and click New Story. You'll see a gallery of templates organized by purpose, for example, pitch, story, product, or blank. Next, choose a template that matches your goal. Pick pitch for investors, decks, story for narratives, and products for future store. Each template applies layout and scene structure automatically. Now, click Use Template to load it into the editor. Replace the placeholder text with your own headline and key points. One idea per slide so that the layout stays clean. Then, use the template preset styles. Apply the suggested color palette and font to keep everything consistent across slides. This saves time on manual formatting. After that, refine content, edit titles, shorten bullets, and swap any placeholder image with your own or Tome's AI suggestion. Use the Design tab to tweak spacing or switch layout quickly. Next, check speaker notes and adjust slides order if needed. Templates often create extra scenes you can delete or merge to fit your flow. Now, preview the presentation to test pacing and visuals. If you need a different tone, update the template prompts. For example, make this formal or use simple language, and regenerate affected slides. Finally, export your finished deck to PDF or PowerPoint, or copy the share link to present online. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.